So great news today. I'm giving away to all of you another leaf shave razor. I'm going to be giving away either the Thorn in silver, or I have the gold one in the twig. I love this razor so much, and I just want to give away what I feel is one of the easiest, non-intimidating razors to use. For me, I really enjoy the leaf twig razor. I think it's a great learning tool for people. A lot of people look at a safety razor and, they're afraid. It's intimidating to them. And I get it. So that's where a single edge blade, like a leaf razor, comes into play because, it takes a single blade. They make their own blades as well, if you like those, so if you don't feel comfortable with snapping blades, but over time, you eventually will. So stick around and I'll tell you how to enter.
Come on, America.
Twig in gold, and I'm gonna do a quick shave with it. Leaf Shaves did introduce the shower holder. I've got two of them. I'm gonna be giving one of these away as well, with a leaf twig or leaf thorn, whichever one you want. The thorn, I believe, is silver, but let's go from there. You don't have to hang in your shower. I don't shave in the shower, I shave right here. But you could put it up anywhere, in your bathroom. Great little thing right here. I believe it's selling for $24.99. Holds the leaf twig and the thorn and the 3-bladed leaf as well. So, hey, nice little giveaway for everybody. So let's see how this goes. So I'm just, my last shave, I used Son of Zeus. I'm just gonna stick with it. I did bloom some water in the puck, so that's just putting water inside this puck. And then all I do now is just pour some of that out on my face and apply it where I'm gonna shave. Does it get any better than that? This is gonna create that cushion. If you don't have shave oils or pre-shave soaps, you can do this too. I've done this for years. It works out really well. It's better than just, going right into this puck.
Good.
I don't need the rest of that. And, face lathering. So I'm going to be using the Simpson Talifigure T3 knot. Great knot, synthetic. I like to squeeze all the water out that I can, just because these synthetic knots, are so good. You don't need to load a ton of water in a synthetic knot like you do a badger. I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this on like I normally do. All right, that's good. Get the tips a little wet, shake it out, break the backbone. All right, I'm gonna stop there. So when you break these tabs, there's an indentation. One of the sides are going to be bent left or right. I like it with the tabs pointing down when I'm loading these razors, and these are so simple to load. There's a magnet right here, so you just throw that up there with the tabs pointing down, and it grabs the magnet. And then there's 2 posts here on the side that you have to make sure are lined up, which that wasn't. Now it is. See how the 2 posts on the sides line up correctly? And then now you just lower the razor. Okay, got a Gillette Nasset loaded in here and just gonna go to town. Quite a bit of growth for this mild razor, but it'll hack through it. Now here's one of the great things with this twig or the thorn, detailing is so easy. If you just have a beard and you just want a razor for detailing, this is it. Definitely could have lathered more, but this razor is just, it can handle it. It's gonna take 2 passes anyway. Gonna go all aggressive on it the first pass. I mean, just a quick, easy shave here. I mean, I'm not playing around here at all. All right, let me give that a rinse. Just had the AC guy out here. Man, my house was hot. Oh. Yeah. Sweating. That's why I'm trying to get through this so quick. All right, let's go back in and do the second pass here. I did leave some hair behind. I mean, I definitely could have, you know, let this stuff soak in a little more, but really no reason. I mean, this razor with 2 passes, it's pretty damn good. But I gotta say, I did put a Persona in here and it wasn't cutting at all, so I had to switch to a Gillette Nasset. The angle that you go on your face on this is completely different. The way this sits on your face, so it's naturally put there. So if you're just coming from a cartridge razor, it's easy to switch, just the way it's designed. You know, a safety razor, traditional looking one, the angle's different. It seems like the angle is here on the twig, you know, and more like here with the Rockwell. Just saying. Yeah, so it's so easy to use on your face. And I prove it in this shave right here. And I'm flying through this shave, just trying to get this out. Now this shave is just a quick shave. I need to get out that door. A friend of mine, his son Fritz, is playing at Glenmore Country Club in the Northern Ohio PGA Junior Championship. So I want to go up there and follow him around. So this is just a very quick shave. This shave will not last. Like tomorrow, I'm not trying to get it super close. Tomorrow I would have to probably shave again. And that's okay. All right, should be good. Got that perfect. Yeah, all right, that's good. Oh man, it's so hot. Okay. Okay, now going in for the tell-all, I'm just going to, missed a little bit there. Dry shave. Yeah, not my best shave, but again, I'm not looking for that. This is just a quickie in and out. So I'm just gonna grab this alum block. This is the one from Parker. It's huge, I'm digging it. I like it a lot. Little tingling around the mouth here. A little bit at the cheeks. Nothing there. A little bit there. Nothing below. And maybe a little bit here. But that's a quick shave, a very quick shave. All right, so throw that back in there, get some water on my face. Okay. Dab that off. Go in with some Thayer's Witch Hazel. Love this. Say it every time I use it, which is every time I shave. All right, it's good to go. Gonna be out in the sun, so I'm gonna put on sunscreen later. So I'm just gonna put Nivea on because this stuff's light. It's not greasy. It's perfect for, you know, warm weather. It's gonna be, I think, 85 degrees out there today. Gonna be wearing a hat, so don't need to do a head shave. Pretty good shave for a quickie.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what a great looking razor this is. I love this razor. And the winner is Mr. Hammock. So all you have to do is respond to this video, you know, down below in the comments, and I'll get in contact with you, give you my email address, and, you know, I'll ship it to wherever you want it shipped. So that's awesome. So congratulations to you.
Let's make some noise!
Now for the leaf shaves. Either the thorn or the twig, whichever one you want, doesn't matter to me. And the nice shower holder, which, you know, for me, I would just keep it, you know, somewhere in my shaved in. So to enter this contest, what you're gonna have to do, and you're gonna have to write it as it says here on your screen. At OHIOSHAVES, leaf shave. And that's how you enter. So good luck to everyone, and I will see you guys down the road.